Did you know that you can make hundreds of dollars just by copying and pasting? Yes, you heard that right. Just by simply copying and pasting. What is a copy-paste job actually? Does it actually work? Do copy-paste jobs pay daily? Are there any genuine copy-paste job sites? Sit back, grab a drink, and keep watching. Because in this video, I'll be explaining this copy and paste job, and I'll be showing you legit copy and paste websites where you can earn lots of money. I'll also be telling you the absolute truth about this form of getting money, as a lot of YouTube videos can be misleading. After this video, you'll have known what to realistically expect from this scheme and how to properly navigate it. Welcome to Flores Online Explains, the online education platform. Subscribe to my channel for information, explanations, and tips. From the amount of views I get, I can see that 98% of viewers aren't subscribed to the channel. So please subscribe, and also don't forget to press the like button and the notification bell. Now let's get into the video. To start with, let's define what a copy-paste job is. Copy-paste jobs are similar to data entry jobs in the sense that you must copy and paste data from one place to another. Basically, you'd be given a source, which may be an image, an Excel spreadsheet, or a Word document, and you'll have to convert it to something else. For example, you might be asked to copy and paste all the content from a particular PDF file into a Word document, and the PDF file can be about 10,000 words or less. I hope you now understand what copy-paste jobs are all about. I hope this clarifies things for you. Great. Now, how do you go about registering for this? Okay, let's start with step 1 because this guide will be broken down into actionable steps that you can easily follow to correctly set up this income stream. And if you want to make this happen and have it work for you, I urge you to simply follow each step and take action. Don't simply watch the video because it won't work for you if you just watch it and don't do anything with it, and you won't make any money. Our first step will be to go to Mangles.com. You probably have no idea what this website is about, so don't worry. I'll explain. Mangles.com is a tool that will help you boost your SEO, search engine optimization. Your website's SEO score will determine how your website will rank on Google and how likely people are to visit it. But we won't be needing any of that. In fact, you don't need any website at all, and you don't need any SEO knowledge. All you have to do is follow the steps in this tutorial. So, Mangles.com is a tool that helps you rank higher on Google and compete with more people. But you don't need a website or any money to benefit from it. All you have to do is go over to Mangles.com and sign up for a free account. To create an account, simply enter your email address, create a password, choose I'm not a robot, and then click create my Mangles account. Once you've done that, you'll be able to log into your Mangles account. Now, let's get started with Google. The next step is to open Google and leave it open for the time being. After that, all you need to do is to copy something. Now that you've got Google open, it's time to return to Mangles. Now, on the left side, you'll see an affiliate section where you may join their affiliate program, which pays 30% of recurring monthly commissions. And if you go back to their pricing plan, you'll notice that the most popular one is $39 per month plan, which means you're earning roughly $11.70 per month per person you refer. So that's your monthly revenue without you having to do anything. If you refer 100 people, that's already $2,070 in passive income with no effort required. Once you've gotten all of those referrals, you may turn off your phone or computer and do anything you want with your money. The next step is to go to the affiliate programs and click on promo materials. There you will see your affiliate link. Whenever anyone clicks on your link, it will take them to the Mangles website, and depending on the plan they choose. So the next step is to copy this link and go to bit.ly.com. Simply put, Bitly is a free web service that allows you to condense large URLs into as few as 14 characters. However, if you want to use Bitly's other features, you'll have to pay for them. This tool is especially useful for Twitter users whose posts are limited to 240 characters. Bitly is also more than a one-trick pony. It also allows you to track click data on your links. Bitly displays the number of individuals who have clicked on your link, the time and date of the click, where they were referred from, whether email, website, social media, and their global location. It's a simple way to make short links that can be shared anywhere online, used in podcast sponsorship, or printed on flyers and posters. The link is easier to read, remember, and follow, and it's a good substitute for QR codes if you can't use them in your marketing. You may also combine the two to ensure that you cover all of your bases and get the most out of your company's marketing plan. So just paste your Mangles link in bit.ly.com and click shorten. Then you can copy the short version. Now that you have your short affiliate link, let's go back to Google and consider who needs good SEO. higher ranking, and more traffic on their website. Obviously, every single website on the planet, of which there are already hundreds and millions, but who has the money to invest in Mangles through your affiliate link? Simple answer is every business that uses a website and needs traffic. And the good news is that there are thousands of businesses that fall under this category. So what you have to do now is to go to Google and look for businesses and brands that might be interested in generating traffic on their website. So open the websites and then get their email. After you've gotten their email, you can send them a message and try to convince them to try out mangles.com. You can prepare a script that looks convincing and tell them that their website can get more traffic if they sign up with your link. You can send your affiliate links to as many businesses or brands as possible. Remember that if they sign up with your link, you'll get 30% of whatever plan they sign up for. Now let's do a little math. Let's say you refer 100 individuals and they sign up for the $39 play. You'll get $11.7 per person, which is equal to $1,170 per month and $14,040 per year. And the sweet thing is, you only have to do the hard work in the beginning. What do you think about this method of earning? Let me know down in the comments section. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and see you in the next video. I hope that you learned a thing or two. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Continue learning about NFT, crypto, and the stock market, and we'll see you in the next one.